I am James Mbongu-Tseya. I represent Healthcare Information for All by 2015 Cameroon. It's a privilege for us in Cameroon to be the host of this year's of the 6th Africa Congress on the conference around sexual health and rights. This meeting is very timely, given that so many people are revolting about their own sex rights, about where they belong, and they think that it is just but normal for them to express themselves outward sexually, and So I think that concerning the girl child and the women, I think it's very timely because so many strong themes have been addressed, on how Africa as a whole will come up with policy documents to fight against basic things like FGM, which is female genital mutilation, forced marriage, child marriage, and so on and so forth. I think these are vices. They are killing us. And of course, if we really have to fight against all of this, then we have to put our hands on deck so that as one man, we can move on. The young people, it is often said that the young people are the future of tomorrow. So if the young people are not practically involved in streamlining policies that they themselves will use tomorrow, then I think we would have been missing the point. So in order to assist us, harness, put young people together and doing things that tomorrow they will, feel attached and really concerned, I think we really have to involve the young people at all levels.